Today, chapter 1-2, we're gonna learn first, let's practice drawing pen lines. Second, learn 1 point, 2 point perspective. And then third, we are going to draw an avocado with a pen that we have learned. Okay, so we learned the pencil line last time. Today we are going to learn how to draw pen lines. But since they are the same type as pencil line, so we will take a quick look and move on next. Okay, this is a simple lines. This is a simple line just to draw horizontal and vertical lines. This is a horizontal line. Definitely start, ending point, start, ending point. Just to draw the straight line. Sometimes my hand is shaky. Okay, try it. And next line is abstract lines. We practiced line, draw curve, only use the curve line. This is abstract lines. And then next page we're gonna use it. And cross hatching lines. This is actually diagonal lines, and then hatching, cross hatching, curve line, and then we used some dots. This is very easy for you and easy for me, right? Okay, let's move on to perspective. This is a 1 point perspective. A tree is standing right in front of me. This in front of you will appear larger, and this in the distance will gradually become smaller. So in front of you, in front of me, very large tree here, and gradually gets smaller. So, and then eventually a tree that is very far will appear as a point. We call that a vanishing point. So when drawing buildings, road, and train tracks, you can draw according these rules. Okay, and I have reference for you. This is my painting. This, look at that. This 1 point painting. This is vanishing point. Like this line, this building. Look very big size and getting smaller size, and then this one too. This is vanishing point here, like this. Okay, getting smaller. Okay, this is 1 point perspective. This is 2 point perspective. So here I am. This tree is standing right in front of me. So this tree look very big size. So, and then these trees in the distance will gradually become smaller. So eventually a tree that is very far will meet the 1 point. Disappear the 1 point. This is one vanishing point, and these trees gradually become smaller. This is one vanishing point. So they can meet this point. So we call this one is vanishing point. So 1 point, 2 point vanishing point. So I have reference for you. This is my painting. This is my painting. So look at that. This angle like this. So some point, vanishing point here. So we can measure it like this. And here, this point look like this. Okay. Here is this point. We have a vanishing point. So we have vanishing point, 2 point vanishing point. Okay. Next, we are going to draw avocado with a pen that we have learned. So just to start, make shape. This avocado thicker area. And then I can see the avocado side view. I used a hatching line on the side part. I tried it here. Lines goes edge to center. I use the hatching line on the seed. And then some heart area, kind of dots. And then here is actually shadow here. So I'm going to use here abstract line. We can use many kind of lines used for this avocado. And we have learned hatching line, simple line, and cross hatching and abstract lines. So you can use, it's up to you. You can choose any lines. Okay, this sketchy done. Today's lesson is all finished, but these concepts, 1-point and 2-point perspective, are very important. If you feel like you didn't quite understand, please take your time to review and practice. I know this is difficult in the beginning, but after practice you will get better, okay? Don't worry. We will have plenty of opportunity to practice this concept in chapter 4, okay? I have good news for you. In our next class, we will go over easier materials, introduction to watercolor. Now, I want us to prepare a palette together that we will bring to our next class. If you have never done this before, follow along with me. Open a tube of watercolor, and squeeze it. Okay. Squeeze it very back corner of the box provide. Okay. Okay, please make your palette look as close to mine as possible. I understand some students are not working with the exactly same colors, but it's okay. We can use similar to color, okay? Okay, take a deep breath and pat yourself on the back. I look forward to see you in the next class.